Queen Quet, head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Right here from Jacksonville, North Kakalaki to Jacksonville, Florida, from the shoreline where we ancestors in the day. Still holding from we tradition, holding from the drum, from we shows, where many people come and don't see the cast nets and see us still standing united together. This true story that built the foundation of America, holding our traditions, paying homage to those who came before us, who built this land, learning our children who we da, down ya, who we be, still marching on proudly as Gullah Geechee, as one family, still standing when others thought we would fall. Nah, we da been ya, we ain't going no way, tall, this ya da who we be Gullah Geechee, strong, united, and free, this ya da my family.